Hello, William. I was curious also about your answers. I'm gonna show you some of them because it was really I'm really busy for this kind of thing. This question it says the correct association is as follows, and the correct answer should be beta globulins, which, as you know, they are transported for lipids and other things. And the second I found, it says uh, this one you have the wrong answer in the number four. Actually, you repeated the number three, and the number four was the phagocyte, which is a big molecule. It's a monocyte. That's the one. And the third should be another one. It says here diapedesis is the movement of the white blood cells out of the circulation. The white blood cells are able to cross the, the blood vessel. That is the capacity when we have an infection, for example. The white blood cells go through the blood vessels and go through the site of infection. That is diapedesis. And the next one, it says, let me see, number five and four, you interchange these two answers. Carries deoxygenated blood to the right atrium, should be inferior vena cava, and drain the abdominal walls, it should be the azygos veins. Yes. Um, and the next one, it says the right atrium received blood directly from, it's true, it's the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, but it's not only because they receive also the coronary sinus, that's why. And another one I found, it's this one. It says, which is the difference between serum and plasma? Then the first is the plasma has the coagulation elements, which is the fibrinogen, and the serum it's after coagulation. That's why it does not contains it does not contain the fibrinogen. Uh, there is some of them, the questions. I didn't finish the exam. I assume you have the accurate grade for these questions, but now you have some of the mistake you made during the exam. See you then, guys.